I'm really excited being a part of, even as a student, being a part of School of Natural Skincare. Just a little bit about myself. I'm Heena, and I'm based in Mumbai in India. So I've throughout my life, I think I've been more of a sales, marketing, and financial expert. So this is absolutely a different field for me. It was a different field for me, but school has actually made it very easy for me to just go through this entire experience. To be honest, so I feel a lot more confident than what I was about 2 years ago. So I'm very happy I found a School of Natural Skincare. I'm really happy about it. Yes, I've always been fascinated with natural organic products. And that's where in somewhere in 2018, I started looking for right options. And later on, what happened was I started buying recipes online from people. I started following DIYs available on YouTube or all over the internet. And the worst thing that happened to me was in the month of December in 2020. I bought a recipe from someone, I used it on my body, and then I broke out into a dermatitis. It went on, it irritated me. It was a real bad rash that I had all over my body. It took almost 15 days and I had to take medication. So that's exactly when I decided no more DIYs and it has to be a professionally formulated products for me. I was really thankful I did not use them on my kids. Else it would have been a bad experience for the entire family. So like I said, in 2018 I started joining free groups available on Facebook and Instagram, and I started sort of researching on internet, started using DIYs. And that's when I had joined quite a few schools which were available on Facebook groups, the school groups, not just School of Natural Skincare. There were other schools as well. And over the period, I actually realized, to be honest, it was more of loud marketing than those real products that you want to use. And ingredients, especially when I actually saw these schools using ingredients which were either not available in India, or they were so exotic, or probably even so expensive. So I'd rather buy a product from the market than formulate my own. So for almost 2 years, after being part of different school groups on Facebook, I realized School of Natural Skincare was something that would exactly give me what I'm looking for. Making my own products for myself, products that work, ingredients which are not that exotic and expensive, and they are something that gives me the real effect. They're result oriented. So yes, that is exactly when I decided. And last year I joined the diploma for skincare. I am already I got certified for skincare diploma. Right now I'm studying with your hair care diploma, and today I signed up with your advanced serum certificate as well. That with that, I guess you can sum up what my experience has been with the school. So yes, I'm very happy with the school and everything. I feel a lot more confident, in fact, now. The result of the product that I started making with the school, I actually saw they make difference. And my daughter, who's a teenager, she has an absolute, she's got a very sensitive skin. She cannot even use waxing products, like, when you wax your skin and all, she breaks out into real bad rashes. So she when I made a product for her, which was a hemp seed body lotion from that is a formula from the school, and for almost a year now she's using it regularly and she's very happy with the product. So these are the kind of products, like, they actually make you feel confident about what actually works for you. So, and also, one more thing I love about the school is the self-paced learning process. I know I can take my time out as and when I'm free from my kids, from my home, from my other work. So I know I have work, I have time to get online anytime I need some information, like an encyclopedia. The course is like an encyclopedia. So every time I have a question, I don't need to waste my time Googling around on researching. It's just there for us. So excellent. I mean, I really don't know what more, what else, how else I can praise this seriously. I mean, I'm really thankful to the school. I mean, after Googling, after buying DIYs, and actually paying for DIY recipes and then breaking into that dermatitis and going on with the treatment for 15 long days, I'd say I was pathetic at formulating. My my emulsions used to break, the emulsions used to separate. Within less than 24 hours, I used to see change in the texture, in the color of the emulsions that I used to make. So the ratio of using what sort of emulsifier with what sort of pH, with what sort of ratio of oils or water, it was up. I was zero at it, to be honest. We used to make those Ayurvedic products, but like I said, those were like you just concoct maybe some milk and probably add some turmeric to it and apply to your face. But those were all DIYs. You can just use it for just so much. So professionally, at skincare, I was zero, and now in less than 2 years, it's a different thing. It's a different experience altogether. So it is like, what, after joining the course, I know how to convert a recipe into a formula, and a formula, a product which is safe, which is stable, and it gives me results. So the products that give me results, and I feel so confident, I've started gifting those products to my friends and family. So I mean, it's a transformation in less than 2 years after joining the school. So I feel a lot more confident. Like I said, my formulations are stable, they're safe. I gift it to my friends and family. So I know that probably in some time, maybe in a year or so, I would love to launch my own line, maybe starting with some 3 or 4 products, at least commercialize on those products, because I feel confident about them. And I feel like I understand what a formulation is. I feel like I am actually becoming a formulator from a nothing, from a zero to transformation and transitioning to a formulator. So yes, I feel absolutely confident with the knowledge that I've gained with the school. Let me be very honest. I always had that as a plan. It was always a plan for me. I wanted to start a brand. And I'll simply add one more thing to this. As a teenager, while studying, my first job with sales and marketing was with a giant cosmetic brand. And I was always fascinated with color cosmetics and skincare and hair care products. I used to literally color my hair and take care of my hair. The length of my hair is like, it's almost, I don't know. Even if I tie my hair goes all the way down on the floor. So while sitting, so I've always been fascinated about, like, taking care of my skin and hair. So even when I joined the school, I always had that thing in my mind. Maybe in 2 years or 3 years, I will start maybe with 3 or 4 or 5 products, but I will definitely make it into it. I will commercialize and move forward. So yes. Although this would be an online course, but it doesn't feel like one. It is like the community, your tutors are always there to help you. The Facebook groups that we are a part of, people are always there. The tutors are always there to help us. So the course, again, like the course is designed so well that being a student, honestly, I wouldn't even need to go back asking questions to other people. It is designed so well. And the language is so simple that it would actually benefit people from all around the world. So that also is one very important thing. So, and keeping it to the point. So it's not that loud. We don't find people around you loud and all. So it's all about the work. It's all about, and very friendly tutors, very friendly team. So, and every time I have a query or something, even if I write in an email, even if it is a day's time, I've always received replies from your team. So that makes me very comfortable as a student with this goal. So yeah, if someone is planning to start a brand, or if they want to, just like me, start off like, gifting products to their loved ones, just go for it. Just go for these courses. Absolutely. And sum it all in a very sweet and very simple language for students like me. People who love making their own products, people who love organic and natural products, safe and stable. If you really have that, uh, even if it is just a hobby, get into it, because this is what will help you launch your own business. And the course is designed so well, you'll definitely understand what you've learned in the last module, because you'll start relating it with the other. Also, the formulas that the team shares with us, oh, amazing formulas. Trust me. Even if I don't want to do anything else of my own, the formulas are awesome. Yes, the very well researched, elaborated course. I really don't know what to say. Seriously, I am very happy with the course. Absolutely happy. From the diploma of skincare, after getting certified with that, now I'm with studying the hair care diploma, and just today I signed up with the advanced serum certificate as well. So yes, looking forward. If you really are looking for a serious business, or even as a serious hobby, so I think this is really recommended. I'm happy with it. Very happy with it.